everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe. I'm going to make urad maha ki dal. This is black gram and this is split dal and we call it urad or typical Punjabi maha di dal. This is very tasty and delicious the way I make it. Sukki dal. That means it's like a dry dal. So I will share with you the tips how you can make it tasty and delicious dal and you will going to like it. 1 cup dal, half cup water, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. All the spices will be half teaspoon each. Turmeric powder, garam masala, black pepper, red chili powder, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder. Get 1 onion, but since I have a big onion, I'm using half of it. 1 tomato, green chili, about 1 inch ginger, and fresh cilantro, and olive oil for tadka. Onion, tomatoes, ginger, green chili, cut into nice small pieces. One tip I wanted to share with you. You don't have to soak it overnight. I just soak it for 1 hour. This is cold water. And what we're going to do prior to using it, we're going to drain the water. So let's start making our delicious Sukki Mahdi dal. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin. Give like 10 seconds. This is good enough. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Add ginger. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add green chili. Mix it well again. Keep it moving and cook ginger and green chili with onion for 1 minute. Cooking ginger and green chili along with onion for 1 minute. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. It's cooking for exactly 3 minutes. I'll open it. Mix it well. And as we can see, the tomatoes are nicely tender. This was the reason I covered it. Add all the spices. Turmeric powder, salt, cumin, coriander, garam masala, black pepper, red chili. Mix it well. And keep mashing and keep mixing. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. And we're still cooking on medium gas. Cooking all the spices with tadka for 1 minute. Now I'll bring the dal. As you've seen, we put the strainer. All the water has been drained. To make sure that we scoop out all the dal. Mix it well. Now add water. So it's a half cup water and now we're going to mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Bring your gas to medium and cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking with the cover lid. Now I'm going to open it. Mix it. The first 5 minutes we cook on medium gas. Spread it evenly again. Bring your gas to simmer. And this time we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. So I'll show you, this is what you need. Simmer. And we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes. I'm going to open it. Mix it. And if we check the dal, it's nicely cooked. As you can see, it becomes nicely mashed up like a powder. So this is the tip I wanted to share with you. Cook on a medium gas for 5 minutes, then let it simmer 10 minutes. And now, good amount of cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined with the cilantro, dhania, on simmer. Cover it for 1 minute so that the cilantro flavor can blend in with the dal. After adding cilantro, we give 1 more minute on simmer. I'm going to open it, turn off the gas, mix it one more time. This is our delicious Sukki Mandi dal. I have my serving bowl ready and look at this. Very tasty and very delicious recipe. It's so easy to make and so quick. Let me share with you. It's very tasty and delicious Sukki Mandi dal. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is one of the best vegetarian recipe. Serve this dal as a main course dish and serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, even bread. And it's very delicious. Please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.